So got my little Tatrix board 2.0, and tomorrow I guess I'm gonna try to tune the DSM with it. 97 or 98. Well, it's a 97 GST with 98 head, 98 ECU, and a 6-bolt block. And it's funny because when I was doing the head swap, I didn't notice stock markings on the pistons, but besides the point, game system right there. That doesn't really matter. But anyways, so here's my Tatrix. Basically, how it works is, oh, yeah, but basically how it works is you're gonna plug your USB into this end of your Tatrix right here. So it'll look like that, and then you're gonna plug your reflash cable or reflash connector into the little jack hole right there, like so. And then it'll be looking like that. It doesn't have to have your cord bundle up or anything, but basically what I did to make my little reflash cord cable connector thing was I had a spare 90 for my 98 car. I had my spare wiring harness just chilling, and so I went to some of the ECU clips, tore this pin out of there, stripped the plastic covering off of it, and bonded those two together with the inside of this mono plug, which is supposed to be the live wire. The other wire on the outside is supposed to be the ground. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. And I'm gonna solder this up and then cover it up in some electrical tape, and it should be mint. And then this end plugs into your little OBD port. Then you open up your Tactrix and start tuning for them 850cc injectors, HY35, hashtag horsepower. And yes, I know, I'm really ugly, mate. And I got this. When I bought it off of eBay, it said real Walbro 255. It says Walbro on the fuel pump, on the actual fuel pump here. Has all this shit. That doesn't really necessarily mean it's real, but has a little Walbro signature. Kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And then GSS 342 is a model number. And when I want to change my fuel pump, I pulled out my I forgot what it's called, little fuel pump. It's a bunch of Halloween candy, by the way, and a lighter, and power steering fluid, which is stupid, and an ECU black box for the wing. But anyways, so I pulled out my fuel pump and I looked at it because I noticed that it had a Walbro thingy on it, and I was looking at it and I googled the part number and I realized that it was the same thing that I just bought, and I was like, damn, so I already have a 255 in there. But oh well, got an LC1 lot. Innovative MTXL wideband. I know I'm pacing because I have anxiety and I don't care. Old school gritty intercooler. GameCube Need for Speed Underground 2. Yep, it's me. Gonna tune in tomorrow and see how it goes.